Will a person's gun rights be restored as part of restoring civil rights? Attorney Laura Killham explains that. Getting gun rights restored after a felony conviction is set aside is not an automatic procedure, and it is more complex than having your other civil rights restored. The court will look more carefully at your criminal history and the types of offenses that have resulted in your conviction. Restoration of gun rights requires a separate application to the court, although you can submit the application at the same time. The application is called Request to Restore Right to Possess or Own Firearms. Whether your gun rights will be restored also depends on how long ago you were convicted and what court-ordered terms were imposed. If your request to have your conviction set aside or your request to have your civil rights restored is denied, you have the option of filing a motion for reconsideration with the court. This is a separate application called a Request for Reconsideration. These applications can all be obtained online, but they can be complicated, and the wording of the request is very important. Contact attorney Laura Killham for a free consultation in Peoria, Arizona today. While many defense attorneys have prosecutorial experience, Laura's in-depth knowledge and experience allows her to obtain the best results possible.